So upper trap does these things, and you're going to follow along with me. Get in a comfortable position, and you're going to start by elevating your shoulder blade. So lift your shoulder blade up. Now, pull your shoulder blade backwards. All right, so far, shoulder blade up, shoulder blade back. Now, you're probably feeling some tension in here. Now we're going to add the head and neck into it. For the head and neck, we're going to tilt the head backwards. We're going to pull our ear toward that shoulder, and then we're going to turn our head away. If we then kind of bring all of that together for 2 seconds, that is a full contraction of the upper trapezius. Now, like I said, you may have actually started to get some cramping. If you did, you're going too hard, so you need to just relax. All right? So we're going to do that one more time. We're going to switch sides. And usually the way that I train people in this is you do 2 seconds of contraction, and then you reverse each of the movements. So that's what we're going to do on this side to get the stretch, okay? So once again, for the contraction, we're going to raise the shoulder blade. We're going to pull the shoulder blade back, and we're going to hold that position. We're then going to tilt our head and neck back. We're going to tilt our ear toward that shoulder and rotate our head away. We're going to bring it all together for 1001, 1002, relax. So from here, we're going to reverse it. So I'm going to turn my head toward that shoulder, tilt my head away from that shoulder, pull my shoulder blade down, pull my shoulder blade forward, and bend my head forward. And once I'm in this position, I'm going to give 5 little pulses and relax. All right? Now, if you compare the two sides, you did tension on one side and you did tension and relaxation on the other side. They should be noticeably different. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and take care of the poor neglected one, but we're going to do the same process again. So just because I want you to know this one, all right? So we're going to start with the tension. We're going to lift the shoulder blade up. We're going to pull it back. We're going to tilt our head back, tilt our ear toward that side, turn our head away, bring it together for 2 seconds, 1001, 1002, release the tension. So now we reverse it. We turn our head toward that side, tilt our head away, pull the shoulder blade down, bring the shoulder blade forward, and bend our head forward. And pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back up. And if you've done this correctly, what probably you noticed immediately is that your shoulders went whoosh. They dropped down and started to relax. This is again an example of how specific your nervous system is. When we talk about movement mapping, movement again is composed of tension and relaxation, and there is a tremendous amount to be learned by developing this body awareness of what each muscle does. If you like this and you respond really well to it, please let me know. I will tell you I have seen many shoulder problems corrected simply from this one exercise. I have seen a lot of neck problems correct just from this one exercise. I have seen lots of office workers go, this one thing made all the difference in my headaches at the end of the day. So what I encourage you to do, like I said, is start off with 2 seconds of contraction and then 5 little pulses of relaxation. Try and do that 3 to 4 times each day. Over time, you'll be able to contract harder when you're in the tension position, and you'll also be able to relax a little bit more deeply into that mobilized position or relaxation position over time. So go carefully, don't hurt yourself.